Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel IT by Edvin. In this video we will describe that how to create a bootable USB. There are a lot of softwares available in the market to creating the bootable pen drive. You can also create the bootable USB via CMD or command prompt, but here we will use Power ISO software. So firstly we will download the Power ISO from internet. After downloading the Power ISO software, we will install the software. Here I have installed the software and I have run Power ISO software. Okay, and go to the tools option and click on create a bootable USB device, and you have to run source file, means Windows or any Ubuntu ISO files. Here I have downloaded my Windows ISO file. So here I will choose the ISO file and simply click on start. It will take few moments. It can be take 15 minutes. So I will sort the video and show you the last option. Okay, now my bootable pen drive has been created successfully, and you can check that this is the bootable pen drive. All files of the Windows in the pen drive. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.